Hi everyone, good day. We'll be having our orientation for new business registrants. To aid our discussion, we have 7 modules for that. First, application for business registration. Second, application for registration of books. Third, invoicing requirements. Fourth, you are now ready to start your business. Fifth, file and pay your taxes. Sixth, update your registration. 7. Retirement of business.
Let us now proceed to Module 6, which covers registration updates. When should you update your BIR registration? If there is a change in registered address, change in business trade name, change in tax type, additional line of business activity, cancellation of registration or retirement of business, or transfer of registration, and/or other changes in registration information. What to do? You should accomplish BIR Form 1905, attach documents to support the change in your application, and submit to Client Support Section within 15 days from date of such change. You should also receive a triplicate copy of Received 1905 and claim new BIR Form 2303 or Certificate of Registration.
For more information, you may visit us at our office, RDO 132, located at Bolton Extension, Davao City, or contact us to the following numbers, or visit our official website, bir.gov.ph, or follow and message us on our official Facebook pages.